How to create yellow card account in Ghana. This is a step-by-step process. Okay, so just go to Google and then type in yellow card and then hit enter. So when it comes, just select the official site of yellow card, just like this one, and then it will bring you right here to their website. Okay, you can create a free account. When you look at the top right hand corner, you can see we have the sign up button over here. Okay, just click on the sign up and then it will bring you right here. You are going to go through all this process. Okay, your country, personal details, login, and then account security. Just come here and then just simply come and click on the let's go. Okay, so when you click on it, you have to select your country. Since we are creating it in Ghana, just type in Ghana. Okay, so when you type in Ghana, it will come and then you select Ghana. Okay, so after selecting it, just simply click on the next right here. Then as you can see, we have to put in our first name, then our last name. Make sure that you put the one on your ID card, okay, because you are going to verify it. So I'm putting it here. If you have a nickname, you can put it right here. Then you come down here and then you click on the next. Okay, so let's click on the next, and then you have to put in your date of birth. It should be the one on your Ghana card or the ID card. Okay, then you click on the next to go to the next stage. So after that, you have to put in your phone number here. Please put in your WhatsApp number. If you don't have a WhatsApp number, just create a WhatsApp number, because they are going to send you a verification code on the WhatsApp number. Okay, so after that, just come here and then put in your password. A strong password should go with all these check boxes. Okay, make sure that all these are present, and then just come here and then select check the box. Okay, just check the box and then sign up for their newsletters and everything, and then click on the next. So over here, they are going to send you the OTP, that is the one-time PIN, okay, through the WhatsApp number. Okay, so just come and then click on it and come and select get code via WhatsApp. Don't select the SMS, it will not come. I have tried it several times, it never came. Okay, so just select the WhatsApp, and when they send you the code, just come here and then type in the code. So they have sent mine, let me put it here, and just come and then click on the next here. So when you click on the next, it will take you to the next page. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do now is to create a pin, a 4-digit pin. Okay, just create it so that anytime you want to log in, you can use it to log in. Then you confirm it. Okay, just confirm the pin, and after confirming it, just come down here and then click on the next. Okay, then over here you have to put in your email address, an active email address, so that when you forget your password, they will send you a reset password. Okay, then you click on the next. So now let's confirm the email address by simply logging into our mail and then see if you have seen this message. Then come down and then click on verify. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully verified our email address. So just come down here and then click on continue to log in again and then continue. Okay, so what you have to do now is to put in a referral code. I want you to put in my referral code. It will help the channel as well. Besides that, I am the one referring you to this platform. Okay, so you can use my referral code, which I highly recommend you do it. And then after that, just come here and then put it right here. So put it in the box and then click on apply, and come down here and then click on the next. Okay, so that is all. Put in the referral code and then click on the next, and as you can see, we have successfully created our account. You can deposit if you want, but since we are doing the tutorial, I'm not going to deposit now, so I'll click and I'll do this later. Okay, so let's click on I'll do it later, and as you can see, we have successfully created our account. So this is how to create yellow card account successfully. Okay, so after creating it, the next thing is that you have to click on your profile icon and then come down here. As you can see, we have verify identity. You have to verify your identity. I'm having a link of a video in the description showing you exactly step by step how to verify your yellow card account. So watch it and then know exactly how to verify your yellow card account. So just like the video and then see you in my next video.